Hi friends, today we are learning how to register the user on the UF100 ZK Deco device. So we have the one UF100 device. So this is a fingerprint scanner, this is a face scanner. These are, you can see this small LED red color light. This one projecting the light on your face. Then this sensor is reading the light, so device can compare the face. So from here, first we press M/OK, this button. Press this button, so you can see the user menu. So here is the user manage. Press OK. You can see the new user here. Press OK again, same button. Then user ID. User ID is your employee ID. It only can be number only. Character you cannot be use here. I use 1 2 3. Press OK. You can use your own employee ID. Name you can write down from here, selecting by left and right key. The text here you can use left and right key, but name we can later push from the PC to the device, so we no need to be used from here. Then user role. User role is two type of user in the device. One of the normal user, one is the super admin. Normal user, all the employee is normal user. The which people is going to manage this device, that can be one or more than one people. You can make them super admin. So I just choose my role super admin. Then I go down to the fingerprint. Up and down key you can use for go up and down. Then press OK. Scan my finger. Then you can see the one finger appear here, number 1. So I press OK again. Now I choose number 3. So I scan again my another hand. So we have 2 finger here. If I press OK, you can see here go hand. You can choose maximum 10 finger for the one people. If people want to register, you want to register all the fingers, so you can register people. For normal 2 finger is more than enough. Then we go to the face. Press OK. And while registering face, your eyes focus in the green. Yeah, same as just focus your eyes in the green.
Please raise your head. Please lower your head. Thank you.
So your face is registered. Then go one more down. You can use password also if you want. Press OK. Use your password what you want. The password normally people can be ask other employee to do the punch for them, but normally not recommended the password. You can use fingerprint and face is more than enough. Then just go escape. So now user is registered. I can use my fingerprint to check in. I can use my another finger to check in. So for this, when I press menu, it show me the lock sign, because of I can use my fingerprint to unlock the device. So device is now unlocked. I escape. I again press menu, show me the lock sign, because of device is locked with the super admin. With my fingerprint I choose my role super admin, so I can put my fingerprint, face or my password to unlock the device. So you can continue to register other things. Like you want to edit any user in the device, first thing you have to go in that device menu. Device menu, then go to user manage, go to all user. Here you can see all the user which has list appear here. You can type number of the employee search. So I press OK. Then you go edit which user you choose. Then go down what you want to edit. You want to edit fingerprint, you want to edit face, you want to edit password, or you want to edit the photo. So I just choose to edit the photo. So photo successfully saved. I escape and just escape. Anything you want to go out, just escape until go out. Now the photo is updated. So like this you can register user or edit the user in the fingerprint device. This device is UF100 Zacket Echo. So in the next video we will learn more about this device. Thank you.
For more info, visit our website, www.check-time.com.